Get ready, start. It may be argued that the 1956 resolution is fairly clear and nothing has happened during the 10th plan period so far which requires any re-examination of this problem. I respectfully beg to differ from that position. Enough had happened during the second plan and even so far which might make it necessary that we should re-examine the 1956 resolution. The Reserve Bank year after year has drawn attention to the fact that the savings of the community are not keeping pace with the requirements of the economy. We have been told even by government spokesmen that one of the problems which creates great anxiety in the mind of the planning commission is the fact of the non availability of savings. Savings today are in the hands of the banking system and we have only the Reserve Bank and the State Bank which are nationalized. The other banks are still in private hands and it will be necessary to examine whether it is desirable that the other scheduled banks should also be nationalized or should be brought under more effective control of the government if the savings drive is to be given impetus. The mover of the resolution has very wisely kept the thing quite open for the committee to discuss all the issues. It need not be taken for granted that merely because a committee is appointed, that committee would be biased in favor of nationalization only. It will be necessary for it to examine all the pros and cons and to see whether the time has come for nationalizing the entire credit system. This house and the other house have already discussed the LIC investment policy, but the comments in both the houses as well as in the public make it quite clear that investment policy also is still not quite clear. Will this investment policy lead to nationalization by the back door? Will that policy ultimately lead to the control of the various industries by the government? Will it lead to a greater participation in the profits that the economy as a whole has created? These are the problems which exercise the mind of the public. This committee will have to go into that aspect also and evolve a consistent investment policy not only with reference to the LIC funds but also with reference to the other funds that are at the disposal of the government and which can also be utilized for productive purposes.